Hi, this is Blaine from VersaBuilt. If you've tried adding cobots to your CNC shop and ended up frustrated, you're not alone. We've talked with countless shops who've done do-it-yourself route, and they've found it doesn't hold up. In high-mix environments, what you need isn't just a robot. You need a system that's actually built for how you run your parts. Most cobot applications for CNC automation promise that it will be easy, but they leave out an understanding of how the CNC processes work, how automation can be utilized within the CNC process, and in incorporating gripper selection, fixturing, and all the programming that ties it together. If you're a high-mix shop, you can't afford to spend hours or days reprogramming your robot for every new part. Do-it-yourself setups often fall apart when faced with real-world challenges, such as part variety, chip management, and easy setup between different parts. VersaBuilt systems are built for changeovers in minutes, not hours, so you stay productive no matter the job. With VersaBuilt systems, integrators and programmers are not needed. Our system is made for machinists, just like the machines machinists already know how to run. At VersaBuilt, we're not just building automation. We're solving real-world problems for real machinists. If your cobot setup isn't delivering the results you need, maybe it's time for something that's actually built for your shop. Let's start a conversation.